Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a NOKIA X30. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down and find this button in this block and then press and hold like this and drag to top for add. And now for editing, click back. Now we add screen recorder button, so press it, and here we got record audio option. So here we got switcher, activate or disable record audio, and if we tap on record audio, we can change, for example, device audio only, microphone only, or device audio and microphone. Choose your option, activate this, and tap start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.